In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check options expiration dates in the Robinhood app. Understanding when an options contract expires is essential. The expiration date determines how long you have for your trade idea to play out, and it affects pricing, time decay, and risk. Here's how to quickly find that information on Robinhood and make sure you always know exactly how much time is left. Start by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to the stocks page that offers options. You can get there by searching for the ticker and tapping it. If options are available for that stock, you'll see trading tools specific to options on the page. If you don't see options, that symbol may not support them in your account. Next, tap Trade, then tap Trade Options. This opens the options chain, which is the list of available contracts for that stock. The chain is organized by calls and puts and by different strike prices, but for our purpose today, focus on the dates shown for each group of contracts. At the top of the options chain, you'll see the available expiration dates. You can swipe through to see near-term weekly expirations, standard monthly expirations, and sometimes longer-dated choices. Pick any date to view the contracts that expire on that specific day. This is the fastest way to confirm when potential new contracts would end. If you already hold an options position, Robinhood makes it easy to see how much time remains. On your positions list, look for the D indicator, which stands for days left. That number counts down towards 0 as expiration approaches. It's a handy snapshot that helps you keep track of time decay without digging into each contract. For more detailed information on a specific contract, tap that contract directly from the chain to open its details. There you can confirm the full expiration date and other key specifications. If you want to review a contract you've already traded, go to Account, then History, and select the relevant trade. The trade details page will display its expiration information so you can verify exactly when it ends. That's it. By checking the dates at the top of the chain for prospective trades, using the days left indicator for active positions, and reviewing the contract or trade details when you need more specifics, you'll always know your timeline. Stay mindful of approaching expirations, especially during the final week when option prices can move quickly due to time decay.